And this is the sound of sleet in a greenhouse. These guys don't care at all because it's nice and toasty in here. Okay, you can see the heater over there is blowing this way, so that fan is also blowing this way. That fan is blowing that way. It goes down here. I've got this big fan to turn it around, and it's blowing this way, and so is this one and that one. So it's got a bit of a counterclockwise rotation of air in here, and that will help pollinate these as well as circulate the heat. That's the plan. I gotta get all this mud out here. It's been raining like crazy, so some of the silt from that well is still coming through here, so we're still working on that. Object is to get all this dried up, get that French drain out there cleaned out, because that silt all went down in there. I've got to get that cleaned out and re-rock it. Right there is a little strawberry. See that or not? It's pretty. There you go. A little strawberry started. I'm sure if you followed me at all, you know, well, you know a couple things about me. One thing you should know is I hate winter. I hate snow. Can't stand it. That's why I do this. And I pay for that. Strawberries in wintertime. It is 62, 63 degrees in here. And we're about to have some strawberries. Lots of them. God bless. Y'all go play in some dirt, some nutrient solution. Perlite with vermiculite mix, and we'll see you next time.